Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both Google accounts and choosing the sync method. Sign into the primary calendar in a browser. Make sure you can access the secondary account too. Once done, decide whether you need one-way subscription, publish/export, or two-way sync, same account or third-party tool. This affects privacy and control. Make sure calendar sharing is enabled on the source or export in. Ix file to import later. Now proceed to share or export so the calendars become available to the other account. Now perform the core steps based on your chosen path. If sharing, open source calendar settings, add people with the other account and set permission level so events are visible or editable. If importing, export in. Ix from source then import to target via settings import and export and select the destination calendar. If you need two-way continuous sync, connect a trusted third-party app, authorize both Google accounts, map which calendars mirror each other, and set a sync interval. This creates ongoing alignment between calendars. Finish by verifying the result in the receiving account. Open the calendar, toggle visibility, and confirm events show correctly. Make sure permissions are accurate so edits propagate as intended. If updates don't appear, force a manual refresh, reauthorize the third-party app, or re-import the Ix file. Also check common issues, mismatched calendar ID, blocked sharing, or different time zone settings that shift events. One key troubleshooting tip: recheck and regrant sharing permissions first. That fixes most sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.